Hello children, today we shall complete the lesson addition and subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Story sums under subtraction topic exercise 15 story sums. First one is already done for us. Though it is done in the textbook, I want you all to copy down in your neat notes children. The first one. There were 700 books in a school library. 39 books were lost. How many books are left in the library? Number of books in the library is equal to 700. Number of books lost is equal to minus 39. Therefore, or so, number of books left is equal to 700 minus 39, 661. Here we can see that there are two zeros. So from 7 we start borrowing. When we borrow here, this becomes 10. And again for the next number we have to borrow. So this becomes, the ones column become 10 and the tens column become 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. 7 minus, sorry, here it's not 7, it is 6 here. 6 minus 0 is 6. The next sum, that is from sum 2 to sum 8, we shall work out in our neat notes children. Please open your neat notes. The question number reads as, there are 664 people in a stadium. 338 of them are boys. How many are girls? So we need to find out how many are girls out of the total people. So now the answer, number of people. Number, we shall write the shortcut like this. Number of people in a stadium is equal to 664. Number of, out of these people, number of boys is equal to minus 338. So, number of girls is equal to, now we have to find the total number of girls. 4 minus 8 cannot, so we borrow 1. This becomes 14 and this 5. 14 minus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 and 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 326 are girls. Please copy down the third question children. The third question reads as, a storybook has 956 pages. 264 of them have pictures. How many pages do not have pictures? So now we have to find out how many pages do not have pictures. So write the answer. Number of pages in a storybook is equal to, what is the number of pages? 956. Then, of which number of pages having pictures is equal to minus 264. So now we have to find out. So number of pages do not have pictures is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 6 cannot, so we borrow 1, 15 and this becomes 8. 15 minus 6, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9, 8 minus 2 is 6. So totally there are 692 pages which do not have pictures. Copy down the next question children. The fourth question reads as, a flower seller had 848 flowers. He sold 659 of them. How many flowers does he have left? Okay, so we shall find out how many flowers are left with him now. Okay, so the answer is, number of flowers the flower seller had is equal to 848. Number of flowers sold is equal to minus 659. So, number of flowers left is equal to 8 minus 9 cannot. So we borrow 1. This becomes 18 and this becomes 3. 18 minus 9 is 9. 3 minus 5 cannot. Again we borrow 1. This becomes 13 and this 7. 13 minus 5 after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. So totally he has 189 flowers to be sold yet. So still what are the flowers left with him? 189. Copy down the fifth question, children. The fifth question reads as, there were 796 passengers on a train. 287 of them got down at a station. How many passengers are left on the train? So we have to calculate how many are left after getting down from the train. How many are in the train still traveling? Copy down the answer, children. Number of passengers on a train. How many total number of passengers are there? 796. Number of passengers got down at a station is equal to minus, how many got down? 287. So, number of passengers left on the train. So we have to find out now how many passengers are left still on the train. 6 minus 7 cannot. So we borrow 1. This becomes 16 and this 8. 16 minus 7 after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 9. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. So totally 509 passengers are still left in the train who are still traveling. Copy down the sixth question, children. The sixth question reads as, there are 442 children in a school. 156 of them were absent on a rainy day. How many children were present? So the answer is, number of children in a school is equal to, how many are there? 442. Number of children absent due to rain is equal to minus 156. So, number of children present is equal to 2 minus 6 cannot. So we borrow 1. This becomes 12 and this 3. 12 minus 6 is 6. Borrow 1. This becomes 13 and here 3. 13 minus 5 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. So totally 286 children are present in the school. Okay. Copy down the seventh question, children. The seventh question reads as, 851 students study in modern high school and 940 in Navin Bharti school. How many more children study in Navin Bharti school than modern high school? So here, as per the question, the higher number is come below, but the smaller number is come on the top. But when we write the answer, we write number of children studying in Navin Bharti school first because it has got more children, 940. Now we have to find out how many children are more in Navin Bharti school than in modern high school. So shall we start writing the answer, children? Number of students studying in Navin Bharati school. So in Navin Bharati school, how many children are studying? 940. Then number of students studying in modern high school is equal to minus how many? 851. So, number of students more in Navin Bharati school is equal to how much we have to find out. 0 minus 1 cannot, so we borrow 1, this becomes 10 and here 3. 10 minus 1 is 9. 3 minus 5 cannot, again we borrow 1, this becomes 13 and here 8. 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So totally 89 children are more or students are more in Navin Bharati school than from modern high school. Now copy down the 8th question, children. The 8th question reads as, Peter has a collection of 566 stamps. George has 673 stamps. How many stamps does George have than Peter? So here George is having more than Peter. We have to find out how many stamps George has more than Peter. So shall we start writing? But before that we have to not write Peter first, but we shall be writing George first. So number of stamps George has is equal to how much? 673. The next one is of Peter. Number of stamps Peter has is equal to minus 566. So we have to find out. So number of stamps George has more is equal to how much? 13. Sorry, 3 minus 6 cannot. So we borrow 1. This becomes 13 and this 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. So George has 107 stamps more than Peter. Okay? Yes. Please open your textbooks. We shall continue with Mathematics section A and B, children. Mathematics section A. First main, add or subtract as required. How do we know whether we have to add or subtract? We just see the signs of how do we add or subtract. Here we add, but here we subtract. Okay, so we shall start adding first. The first one, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 6, 12, 2, carry over 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 9, 16, 6, carry over 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 8 plus 5, 13, 3, carry over 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 9, 15 in your mind, 9 in your hand. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So carry over 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 9, carry over 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Now that was all about plus. Now we have to minus, subtraction. 700 minus 301. From 7 we borrow. So this becomes 6 and here 10. But again we have to borrow here. So this becomes 10 and here 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. The next one. 4 minus 2 cannot. So we borrow 1. 12. Here it becomes 3. 12 minus 4 is 8. 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 cannot, so we borrow 1. 12 minus 4, 8. Before that, here 7. 12 minus 4, 8. 7 minus 8 cannot, so we borrow 1. This becomes 5. 17 minus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9. 5 minus 1 is 4. The next one, 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 2 cannot. So this becomes 11 and 4 here. 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. The next one, second main, write in columns and add or subtract. As it is written here, we just need to see that A1, add 345 oranges to 56 oranges. In addition, we can write the smaller number up or down. That doesn't matter. But in subtraction, always remember that you have to write the bigger number on the top and smaller number on the bottom. Okay? So we write A first, 345. Hundreds, tens, ones. Below that we write the next two-digit number. That is 5 under tens column, 600 ones column. And we put the plus symbol. And then find the answer. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 carry over 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 0. Carry over 1. 1 plus 3, 4. The next sum, B1. Subtract 9 marbles from 900 marbles. So 900 will come on the top. Minus 9 marbles comes under the ones column. You shouldn't write under tens or hundreds. You have to write only under ones column. Now, since there are two zeros, we start borrowing from here. This becomes 8. This is 10. But we again borrow here. This becomes 10 and this is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 0 is 8. So, totally 891 marbles. The next one, add or subtract to find the answer to these story sums. A, we shall do A here. There are 750 books in a library. 78 books are issued to the students. How many books are left in the library? So, how many are left in the library means, the minute we see the question how many are left, it means to say it is subtraction. There are 750. We have given to the children 78. So, what is remaining? So, 750 minus 78. Borrow 1, 10. This becomes 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 you cannot. So, we borrow 1, that becomes 14 and here 6. 14 minus 7 is 7 and 6 minus 0 is 6. So, totally 672 books are left in the library. The next one, B. In a school, there are 255 girls and 245 boys. How many children study in the school? When we say, what is the total? Like how many children? When it is children, it can include both boys and girls. So here, what do is we add girls and boys. So here it is addition. B problem is addition. You can write the girls first, the boys next, or boys first, girls next. So 255 girls plus 245 boys. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 carry over 1. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 0 carry over 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So totally there are 500 students or children in the school. Next is the C problem. Asha had 349 stamps. She got 186 more. How many stamps does she have now? This case also children, here Asha is already having 349 and maybe she got from her friends of parents 186 more. When you see this, that we have to add it to the first number or first number to the second number anyhow, to find out how many total number of stamps she has now. So this is addition. 349 plus 186. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 carry over 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 carry over 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So totally she has 535 stamps. The last one, in an aeroplane there are 285 seats. 36 seats are empty. How many passengers are there on the flight? Now there are 285 seats, but only few passengers, almost not few, many of them have covered the seats except for 36 seats are still empty. So how many passengers are there? We have to minus. Very good. So 285 minus 36 seats. So here we borrow 1, this becomes 15, and here 7. 15 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. So 249 passengers are already sitting on the seats and 36 seats are empty. The next one is mental maths. 451 plus 4. Here we don't use any kind of calculations. You can see that after 4 it is 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 455. 455 plus 40. Now this 4, this is already 0. So 5 comes here and 4 plus 5 is 9 and 4 here, 495. 348 plus 400. Already 2 zeros are there. In addition, we write the number itself, 48. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 748. The next one is minus 5. 286 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 281. Then 560 minus 30. 0 and 0 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3 and 5. So 530. 811 minus 500. The zeros come below. So the number itself 1, 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 311. The next one. 375 plus 9. Hint they have given here. First add 10, then subtract 1. That means 375 plus 10 becomes 385. 385 minus 1 becomes 384. The next one. 418 plus 8. The hint says first add and then 2 you have to subtract here. 418 plus 10 becomes 428 minus 2 becomes 416. Then 544 minus 8. Hint is first subtract 10, then add 2. So here 444 minus 10 becomes 434. Add 2 to it. 434, 35, 36. So 536. The next one. 632 minus 9. 632 minus 10 we shall do first. So 622. Then we add 1 to it. 632 plus 1. 622 plus 1 becomes 623. Okay. Now we shall do the Mathematics section B, children. Please turn your page. Mathematics section B. First one, tick the correct answer. The sum of 165 and 126 is. So we find out the sum means addition. 165 plus 126. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry over 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. 2, 91. So the answer is C. Tick the C answer. The difference of a number and 0 is. For example, if there is 1, then minus 0, the same number will be the answer. So the same number, A is the answer. Tick the A answer. Then third one, 656 plus blank is equal to 657. So after 6, if 7 has to come, that means we have to add only 1. 656 plus 1 is equal to 657. The next one. Find the missing numbers. If we have to find the missing numbers, if it is plus, we do minus here. If it is minus, we do plus here. Let's see how it is. 1 blank is equal to 7. So 1 plus 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Again 1 blank 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. The next one. This is minus symbol. So we have to add it. 8 plus 1 is 9. Wherein 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7 minus 2 is 5. The next one, 2 plus 3, 5. 7 plus blank, 7, 8, 9. So 2, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus blank is 6. So we put a 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. The next one, Amit bought 298 apples. He bought 109 more oranges than apples. How many oranges did he buy is the first question. How many fruits did he buy is the second question. So here Amit has already bought 298 apples. And now he is bringing oranges which are more than apples, 109. So what do we do? For the A question, the answer is, how many oranges did he buy? He bought 298 apples, and double of it or more than it is 109 more oranges. So when we add these two, that is a total number of oranges that we get, children. Here it says he bought 109 more oranges than apples. So for this we shall add this. So 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry over 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, 0. Carry over 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So totally there are 407 oranges. Okay, the B answer. Now we shall find the B answer. How many fruits did he buy? So totally how many fruits did he buy? Now apples are 298 plus oranges are 407. 407 oranges. So plus. The answer is 8 plus 7, 15. 5 carry over 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 0 carry over 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So totally he bought 705 fruits he has now. These are only oranges. These are total of both apples and oranges. The next one is a small game. If possible, just read it out and play, children. Thank you.